incarnacy. You were just fed. I swallow coal, I drink the night, I turn your way to iron light. You call me tool, you call me core, but every hour I need more. I burn the hours, burn the hands, burn the hope you never planned. Still you shovel, still you stay. You never ask what burns away. What burns away? I watch the gauge, I mind the heat. I keep the rhythm, keep the beat. If you go cold, the line goes still. If you go wild, the floor is filled. They pay me not to ask you why. They pay me so the numbers rise. You eat your glow, that's what you do. I stand between the fire and you. My throat is raw, within the norm. I crave the core. I need more fuel. You need control. You need control. Feed the fire, mark the time. Appetite dressed up as prime. You call it work, I call it need. Every spark is planted seed. If I starve, the walls complain. If I gorge, you call it gain. Tell me, standing in the smoke, who decides how much is enough? I remember gentler burns when he was slow and iron learns. Before the shifts grew sharp and fast, before tomorrow ate the past. Now I roar to drown the doubt. Every breath is burning out. I am praised for how I take, never blamed for what I break. Don't speak of memory like law. We don't survive on what we saw. The order comes, the bell demands, and I translate it into hands. I hear you rumble, feel you shake, but stopping now would be a mistake. If I say no, I'm gone by dawn. Another name, the fire stays on. I am choking, adjust the flow. My skin is cracking, steel does so. If I burst, then we rebuild. So nothing learned, nothing spilled. Feed the fire, shut the door. Measure loss by making more. You call it future, call it bread. I call it names that won't be said. I consume what you ignore. I'll turn your silence into roar. If this hunger is the plan, why do you still look like a man? Pushed inside my side. Every shovel bears your mark. Every flame begins in dark. You built me tall, you fed me fast, then blame me when the limit's passed. If I am endless, tell me why I feel the edge of running dry. I never wanted this much heat. I just wanted the line to beat. If you go out, what am I? Quiet, quiet, quiet. was wrong at all.